All right, yo, it's me again. This is our second video of the day, but this is how we hit our biggest trade today. Should have been a 10K day, should have been 15, 20K day. Yeah, yeah, it should have been a crazy day today. All right, so let's get into it. So it was a 5K day today, and I'll show you guys. This is the eval. Oh wait, hold on. Let me make this smaller. Ooh. All right, there we go. We'll do that. We'll do that. Wait, damn, I'm like small. Hold on. I'm just gonna put me in a. Oh, I'm gonna put me in a different corner, like down here, right quick, because y'all still gotta see me. All right. Oh, hold on. I got to sneeze. All right, my bad. Wait, do I have to? All right. Okay. All right, y'all can see me, right? I'm just playing. No, but all right, this is the eval. So we're one trade off passing this account. We're gonna buy once the payout hits, we'll buy like 3 more accounts. So we'll have 5. We'll have max allocation. All right, get this off my screen. Okay, on the main account, here we go. So 5K on the month now. We're up 5K on this account. It should have been 10K. We got TP'd like out like right here, and I took partials and everything. Like I was going really low sizing, so it was a 5K trade just for this right here. As you see, went way lower. This would have been easily like 20K. This would have been an insane day, and we call about pretty much as like coming in. Like I just took what I thought was reasonable. If I was like really aggressive and wanted to take a lot of money, I would have held this way lower, at least previous days low and even lower. Have all these 830 levels marked out because they're like really good for they're really good for like rejections and things like that. So silver today was really bearish. Last night I like made call outs that London kill zone was going to be bearish. As you see, London kill zone was indeed bearish. Last night was supposed to be a big night too. We added too much size and we got stopped out because we added too much size. So that's why we didn't capitalize on London kill zone. If we would have done that and got this big of a trade, we probably would have been up like 10K on the month. But that's okay. It's fine. We're still up 5 and we can still make something off of that. This is still how we secured our biggest payout, or not biggest payout, biggest trade. So I took this. Bias was shorts. Okay, like that's plain and simple. We swept this internal high here. We're at all-time highs. So now it's like external high. Now it's like okay, like we're indeed bearish. We know we're gonna get a retracement. Silver is a bullish market, so anytime that we reach all-time highs or reach like a peak in the market, we're always gonna fall. So we can like fall, sweep sell side, and then from there build more price action, and then make our way back higher. Since it's a bullish market, it's always going higher, bro. Like silver is like one of those markets that's just always trading higher. Nasdaq, as you can see, was bearish. Every futures market today was bearish. And once I seen that like we were bearish on everything, these markets, I don't know why, but they do move in like correlation. So like anytime NQ and ES are going lower, silver tends to go lower too. So knowing now that we have like a bearish bias, we swept external highs, we have no more like draws on liquidity to the upside, and we're like bearish. And pre-market, like before market open, like 9:30 open, was bullish. So it's like literally giving you an AMD model here. As you see, we're accumulating, manipulating, and then distributing to the downside. So I was indeed bullish or bearish. I did not want I did not want to buy the market. I knew it was going to go lower. I wanted it to go lower last night. It did. Gave me more conviction coming into the day. I took it to like right here. So 1 to 15 RR, which is still crazy. If I was like really aggro and like more sizing, this would have been a 20K day. But that's okay. That's gonna come. So now that you guys know like everything, the whole process, I'll show you exactly where we were at. Because we actually were in a really bad position on our account today, our funded account. We had just requested the payout, so we only had $1,000 worth of drawdown left. We took a break even on Nasdaq, and we're like, all right, bet that's cool. And then we took shorts initially like right off the close here, once it tapped into true day, like midnight open, and then the market comes up again, stops us out because we had tight stops, and all it did is just rebalance to the 1 minute SIBI there. But we had tight stops. We're risking like 300, 400. So we re-enter again. Once we see the rejection over true day, I'm like, okay, it's just rebalancing to that 1 minute SIBI before it goes lower. So we re-enter again, and this most likely would have been the account on the line. If I would have lost this, I would have had to like be like 1 micro with just scaling $200 days because it was that bad. So I put everything on the line because I knew it was gonna win. And I only took 2 trades on silver, so I still follow my rules. And I took the break even on NASDAQ. If I would have kept this trade on NASDAQ, I entered like all the way like up here. It was up here or something, and it came back against me. I was like, I don't really like this, so I got out of it. And then as you see, NASDAQ fell like 500 points today. NASDAQ fell 500 points. ES, insane, fell. Like, yeah, really big day. Was an insane day today. Shorts were amazing. If I could have been able to trade this with like heavier sizing on all 3 of these futures markets, today would have been, probably could have quit my job after today, but that day is coming. So yeah, so we targeted this, not really much to it. It was bearish. Everything is obviously, trading bearish. I don't know if I took any screenshots or anything. I could check. I think I did. I think I may have. Like, this is what we were looking like in the trade. As you see here. So we were up like 2,600. I was trailing my stops because last night in London, I was up like 3K in a trade and it came all the way back on my stop. I had stops at break even, but I like trailed them up a little bit just in case because I was like it's most likely gonna fall, right? Like I'm right, and then it stops me out. As soon as it stops me out, runs the TP. So I was like, I'm not letting that happen again. I had 1,100 and I took a partials because I was like needed this trade. So as you see, and then this is us just getting take profited. And then the market continues to trade way lower. But other than that, it's just basic day. And yeah, the market just fell. I mean, it was. I knew this day was gonna happen. I called this out. I said we will fall, and I knew that this day was gonna happen. Silver is a bullish market. Once it takes a lot of those, all those like bullish, not really bullish, but like all the liquidity to the upside, and once we swept all of this, like volume starts to slow, you can tell that this is going to fall. So yeah, that was pretty much GG's. We missed out on some trades yesterday, but I don't even care. This day, even though it should have been 10, I'm perfectly fine with what I just got here. This is like a buffer now. I have a bigger buffer on this account, so yeah. But that's pretty much it. Not really long, this video. There's not really much I can say, Only thing I have to do now is finish up journaling, and then we're probably going to go on a walk. There's a lot of snow outside, but that's not going to stop me. I need to get out. I've been in the house for like days, so, and just been on the charts. I think yesterday we were on the charts for like so many hours. I was just studying silver so much. Like, I've just been studying the charts so much, so haven't really been able to eat or like sleep good. I traded yesterday, and then I traded Asia. Well, I looked at Asia to trade. I got a $150 day because I didn't like the way it was moving. The volume was really slow. I called out that we will fall in London kill zone, and then what do you know? We fall like a lot in London kill zone on silver. So we stayed up to trade that, and then I was up 3K, came all the way back on my stop. I didn't get much sleep at all. I woke up late today. I woke up like 8 minutes late to the market open, so I'm rushing to do all of my analysis quick. NASDAQ's already fallen. The markets are falling. It's like, oh no. So we were lucky. That's the good thing about trading different markets is like, okay, NASDAQ, ES, boom, they're gone. There's no, you maybe could have took this right here, but I wasn't even confident in that anymore. Conviction is gone for NASDAQ. I was like, all right, fine. We're going to move to silver. Silver's heavier anyway. We'll still be able to have a big profit day. And what do you know? Silver just falls. And this would have been an insane day. So I definitely could have made more here. If I was going one mini, and I'd probably have to risk $1,000 to go one mini, but it would have been that would have been a 6-figure trade, which is insane, bro. And if this was copy traded, it would have. Oh my gosh! So I can't wait till I get to that point. It's coming soon. We're gonna buy more accounts today, soon, or tomorrow. One of them, but hey, big day. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get back to my day, finish up journaling, and get this YouTube video posted. We got 2 videos in one day. It's pretty consistent. That's pretty good. Nah, in all seriousness though, I cannot wait till I go full time in day trading and having my MacBook and my camera. Like if I would have had my MacBook, I could have just stayed in my bed, didn't have to get up, or just going recording on OBS on the MacBook. So I need to get a new MacBook or something like that. I don't have a MacBook, and then I need a camera. Once I get those 2, I'm gonna be uploading every day, consistent. We're in the gym, so I'll be uploading that too, and have a lot of things habits we want to get into, and also habits we want to break. So this is the year to do it. This is the year to make money, and biggest trade day today. It's my biggest ever trade. So other than that, I will see you guys later.